Hans and Andrew Schilburn, submitted by Mike Rice. Hans and Andrew Schilburn were born in Norway to George and Anna Schilburn in 1842 and 1845 respectively. There were 5 children in the family, 3 born in Norway and the other 2 born in Eagle, Wisconsin. They immigrated to America in 1851 and moved to the Eagle area shortly thereafter, where they bought a farm located north of the current Highway LO and Highway E in Eagleville. The family worked the farm until Andrew and Hans both joined to fight in the Civil War. Both brothers joined the same company and regiment. Andrew joined first, enlisting in Company F, 20th Wisconsin Infantry Regiment on July 16, 1862, followed by Hans on August 15, 1862. The regiment was organized at Camp Randall, Madison in June and July of 1862 and ordered to St. Louis, Missouri on August 30th. They were involved in several skirmishes with the Confederates as they moved through Missouri on their way to Arkansas to protect the federal arsenal at Little Rock. Many men in the regiment suffered from sickness and disease along the way, and several men died. On December 7, 1862, the 2 armies met at Prairie Grove in northwest Arkansas with about 10,000 men on each side. Both sides attacked and counterattacked one another the entire day. The 20th Wisconsin was ordered to storm a Confederate battery of 6 cannons. They advanced at the double quick until they were face to face with the enemy, at which time they fired a volley and rushed the battery, capturing it. The men let out a cheer which emboldened the other troops to advance. Confederate reinforcements, however, quickly had the 20th Wisconsin caught in crossfire, and their line began to collapse. Within minutes they had no choice but to retreat, partially destroying the battery as they left. The Confederates attacked and laid intense fire on them as they retreated, and by the time they reached safety, nearly half of their unit was killed, wounded, or missing. Hans Schilburn was among 51 soldiers of the 20th Wisconsin killed that day. Sick for weeks, his brother Andrew Schilburn was transferred to a hospital in Springfield, Missouri, where he died of disease on March 21, 1863. He is buried at the Springfield National Cemetery in Springfield, Missouri. The family remained in Eagle until the early 1880s, when they moved and settled in Winnebago, Iowa, where they lived the rest of their lives.